Emotion is energy in motion. If you found this video, it's a sign that you're ready to unlock a transformative key in your twin flame journey, detachment. Many of our clients have shared their stories of how stepping back from obsession and fear led to profound breakthroughs in their connection. Detachment isn't about giving up, it's about reclaiming your power, centering yourself, and creating the energetic shift that awakens your twin flame's emotions. We'll explore how detachment impacts your male twin flame, why it's so powerful, and how the 7 Hermetic Principles explain this dynamic. Detachment as an energetic shift. Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. The principle of vibration. When you detach, you stop radiating the energy of desperation and longing. This shift in vibration is profoundly felt by your twin flame. Male twin flames are often more attuned to energy than they consciously realize, and when your vibration changes, it triggers a reaction in their emotions. How this relates to your twin flame. When you detach, you stop sending out waves of fear, neediness, and control, which lowers the energetic resistance in the connection. Your male twin flame feels the energetic freedom, which can spark introspection and emotional clarity on their end. Ava shared how she stopped texting her twin flame, Noah, constantly, and instead focused on her own joy. Within a week, Noah started reaching out more, asking how she was doing and expressing feelings he had kept hidden for months. Meditate daily to raise your vibration. Use the meditation on twin hearts, focusing on the heart and crown chakras. Visualize pink and green light radiating outward, lifting your energy to love and peace. Affirm, I release all neediness and align with unconditional love. How emotional freedom triggers a response, the principle of polarity. Everything is dual, everything has poles. Detachment creates a sense of emotional freedom in your twin flame connection. When you shift from dependency to independence, your male twin flame experiences the opposite pole. Their need for emotional security comes into focus. How this relates to your twin flame. Male twin flames often avoid emotional vulnerability, but when you detach, it disrupts the dynamic they've relied on. This creates a space for them to examine their own feelings. Liam noticed his twin flame, Sophia, was pulling back from the connection. He suddenly felt an emotional void and realized how much he valued their bond. Her detachment made him face his fears of losing her, sparking deep emotional reflection. Journal about what detachment means for you and how it aligns with your growth. During meditation, visualize your energy detaching from your twin flame with love, allowing them the space to feel their emotions. Affirm, I choose freedom and trust in the divine flow of our connection. Detachment opens space for reflection. Hermetic principle, the principle of mentalism. The all is mind, the universe is mental. When you detach, you stop feeding mental projections into your twin flame connection. This creates a vacuum where your male twin flame is left to reflect on his own thoughts and feelings, unclouded by your energetic influence. How this relates to your twin flame. Your male twin flame begins to process emotions and realizations that may have been suppressed when your energy was more intense. Emily stopped initiating conversations with her twin flame Ryan after months of chasing. Ryan later admitted he needed the silence to process his feelings and understand how much she truly meant to him. Use the 662 Hz subliminal linked below to activate your third eye chakra and gain clarity on your thoughts. Visualize your twin flame surrounded by light, free to process his emotions without interference. Affirm, I create space for my twin flame to awaken to his truth. Journeying through how detachment triggers your male twin flame's emotions may bring to mind your own experience. How did you feel when this occurred? How did this affect you? What did you learn from that experience? Be sure to comment below for the next person, and we may create a video on it. Whilst there, download our free Diamonds Manifest with Ease guide. Details are in the description below. As above, so below. As within, so without. The principle of correspondence. Your external connection with your twin flame mirrors your internal state. If you're clinging to the connection, it reflects unhealed wounds within. Detachment allows you to break these patterns, creating a healthier dynamic. How this relates to your twin flame. When you stop acting from a place of fear, your male twin flame feels the shift. This often triggers them to examine their own patterns and emotional behaviors. Megan realized she was overcompensating in her connection with Alex. By stepping back and focusing on her own healing, Alex started initiating deeper conversations about their relationship. Focus on your solar plexus chakra to reclaim your personal power. Use the Pranic Healing Whiteboard Technique to identify and erase codependent patterns. Write down limiting beliefs, visualize them being erased, and replace them with affirmations. Affirm, I release codependency and embrace my own strength. The emotional impact of silence. The Hermetic Principle of rhythm states, everything flows out and in, everything has its tides. Silence after detachment follows the natural rhythm of the twin flame journey. This pause allows your male twin flame to experience the ebb and flow of their emotions without interference. How this relates to your twin flame. Periods of silence can trigger your male twin flame to miss your presence and reflect on the connection's deeper meaning. Jessica stopped responding to every message from her twin flame, Ethan. Initially, he withdrew further, but over time, he reached out with heartfelt messages, expressing emotions he hadn't shared before. Trust the rhythm of your connection and embrace moments of stillness. Meditate on your root chakra to stay grounded during periods of silence. Affirm, I trust the natural flow of our journey. Detachment as an act of faith. The Hermetic Principle of cause and effect states, every cause has its effect, every effect has its cause. Detachment signals to the universe that you trust the process. This act of faith sets into motion a series of effects that ripple through your twin flame connection. How this relates to your twin flame. Your male twin flame feels the energetic shift caused by your faith and surrender, which often leads them to take responsibility for their own growth. Sophia stopped trying to control the outcome of her connection with Liam. Shortly after, Liam began making meaningful changes in his life, feeling inspired by her unwavering trust. Meditate on your crown chakra to strengthen your faith in the divine plan. During the meditation on twin hearts, affirm, I trust the universe to guide our connection to its highest purpose. Did you know 90% of you watching right now aren't subscribed yet? If you're vibing with this content, hit subscribe. It's the simplest way to support the channel and stay up to date. Detachment aligns with unconditional love. The Hermetic Principle of oneness states, all is one. Detachment aligns you with the truth that you and your twin flame are already connected at a soul level. You don't need to force or chase union. It naturally unfolds when you embody unconditional love. How this relates to your twin flame. When you detach, you shift from attachment to unconditional love, creating an energy that your male twin flame cannot resist. Leah focused on self-love and stopped trying to fix her twin flame, Noah. Their relationship naturally improved as Noah felt the freedom to be himself without pressure. Practice heart chakra meditations, radiating love to yourself and your twin flame. Affirm, I embody unconditional love and trust in our eternal connection. At its core, detachment is a return to yourself. Each stage of the twin flame journey, as guided by the Hermetic Principles, leads you closer to your highest self. By mastering detachment, you embody the wholeness that attracts union. Watch our previous video here. What's waiting for you there might just change everything. Click now and discover what's waiting for you.